Whether you're looking to either lose weight, build strength, or develop muscle, I will be detailing the approach for each objective in the preceding video. Before we get into it, let me preface by saying that you will be asked to perform cardio if wanting to lose weight, and for each objective, I highly suggest adopting intermittent fasting for at least 2 days of the week, if not all days, if you want amazing results for either weight loss, muscle development, strength gains, mental clarity, and overall health. I will be talking about 5 table of contents. Identifying your goals and objectives. I often get a tad philosophical in these videos, and you can expect the same here. One of the best ways you can get started into exercising is by identifying your goals, objectives, and intentions. Simply put, what do you want to achieve and why? Do you want to lose weight, get stronger, or build muscle? Muscle mass versus strength. Many get these two mixed up or convoluted, thinking that with one comes the other, which is not always true. I've personally witnessed a small, skinny 155 pounds adult male squat twice as much weight than a muscular 200 pounds plus male. How? Because the smaller person had trained their strength, which heavily revolves around the central nervous system (CNS), and the method of training. Creating a plan or strategy. So now that you've identified your goal, let's dive into the recommended strategy for each. I will keep this organized under the heading of each objective so it's easy to follow along. Exercising to lose weight. If you're new to exercising, I honestly suggest you work out every single day, or 6 days with one off, and the reason is simply that you get such amazing results in the early stages. Capitalize on it. When you're looking to lose weight, be prepared to do some cardio. If you don't like cardio, too bad, suck it up and do it anyways. You can start with 3 to 4 walks a day of 15 minutes, up to 60 minutes total walking time, or you can reduce this to only doing cardio for your workouts. Simple breakdown. Perform these movements in a pyramid where you start with lightweight and work your way up to heavier. Example, 2x15 lightweight, 2x12 moderate weight, 1x10 slightly heavier weight but not where you're struggling to perform the last rep. You should be able to theoretically perform up to 2 more reps but stop at 10. Warm-up cardio 15 minutes, moderate pace first 10 minutes, a faster pace last 5 minutes. Superset bicep curls with tricep extensions. This can be done with a dumbbell or cable machine. Superset bench press with bent over rows, or push-ups with pull-ups. This again can be performed with a barbell or dumbbell. Superset front squats with still leg deadlifts or standard deadlift, and keep these light. Overhead press with dumbbells or barbell. You may also opt for standard barbell squats on some days of the week, and the difference between the two is that you are training anterior chain a bit more so in the front squats. Detailed explanation. Warm up each workout with 15 minutes cardio at a moderate pace, jogging, or a very fast pace walk. The goal here is to increase your heart rate beats per minute (BPM). Now that you've warmed up, you can get into your workout. The great thing about being a beginner to working out is that you can get massive results very quickly. You can perform your workouts targeting the total body, whereas a seasoned athlete often needs to split workouts by various muscle groups, also known as a workout split. Exercising to build muscle. Building muscle will not require as much cardio as weight loss training, however, it will require more weight lifting with higher volume. Your warm-up can be limited to under 10 minutes, and cool down to 5 minutes, leaving more time for weight lifting in between. As a new lifter, you can still perform full-body workouts and achieve amazing results. Simply rotate through the muscle groups during your training each day. Exercising to get stronger. Training to get stronger doesn't totally require cardio, however, for general health purposes, I still recommend cardio to the extent of that mentioned above for exercising to build muscle. Cardio aside, the training approach for getting stronger should be supported by proven programs. Some great examples of strength programs, and I encourage you to research each one specifically to determine which is best for you. Executing. Don't just read this video articles. Do. Get up and do, make it happen, take action, whatever goal you have identified. Especially in the early stages of exercising, you need to begin to allow that rolling snowball to turn into an avalanche of success. Look deep within yourself and ask what it is you want to achieve, now execute. Tracking results. I always speak about keeping yourself accountable and supporting your own journey in the process by way of tracking results. There are so many great mobile apps, wearable devices and fitness trackers including heart rate monitors, and more. Personally, I've had a great experience with MyFitnessPal for tracking calories and macronutrients while losing weight, and StrongLifts for tracking training. There are again many more apps you can explore, and the takeaway here is that you should be keeping track of your results because that in itself is motivation to keep crushing it. Check on our video for full details. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for related videos.